mobile holder for creating online classes. I am going to prepare a tool to hold the mobile while recording with zero cost, for which I am taking a box. This is an power bank box which I got when I purchased a power bank, and we require a scissors, we require a tape, we require two holders, file holders, and one scale to prepare this. And now let us go how to prepare this procedure. So first you have to take this box, and then you need to use your phone, place your phone inside, and on the top we have to create a space like this, an empty space which is required here, and below camera will be there. So for which according to the mobile where the camera is, according to that you make an hole like this. A hole is created here. So if your mobile is having a hole this side some corner, you create a hole on that corner or at that corner. So once this is created, let us create this, how to place this scale and folders, that I will show you. Now I am fixing the scale inside these folders, so like this. So this is having an cut here, from which I am placing my scale inside this. And on both sides we are going to place this to make this scale stronger. This scale I am going to fix it to the box. So on where below the hole. So this is how I am going to place and fix the tape. Fix this scale with the tape. So tape is fixed here. Fixing tape here. Once the tape is fixed like this, the scale will be fixed to this box like this. Now this is ready to record the videos for online classes. Now I am going to explain you how to record the video. So for which we are going to use one thermocol sheet here I am using. You can use anything to place the mobile holder on this to make it height like this or like this. How it is according to our convenient we are going to use, even on a chair or a table or anything you are going to use. To make this mobile holder to be sticked on this, I am using a weight on this. I am putting a weight on this. Any weight you can use here. You can use books or whatever to make this to be sticked on this, where we are going to place this. And we are going to have white papers, 1 or 2 white papers, or how many white papers you are in requirement, those many.
Okay.
We require a notebook or white papers you can use to place under this, and a pen to write on that. So you can use books or anything to write on this. So before which you are going to place the mobile under this place where it is created here. So we are going to place the mobile under this. So the same mobile I am inserting into this box. how to insert. This is how I have inserted, and now you can see that this is the place where I have placed a notebook, empty notebook, or you can use here paper also. You can use a pen, take a pen, and you can write whatever you want on this continuously, a problem or any theory or whatever the explanation you want, you can explain here. So here I am drawing something, so that like that you can draw anything and you can explain here. And you can also use a mic also, earphones also you can use here. You can use earphones also like this, so which is having a mic here. You can see here mic is there, so from which you can record the video. Or if your audio is not convenient or not according to the mark that we require, you can insert this into the mobile and you can record here. By talking here you can record your video, which will be giving you very good audio recording for your lecture. Here I have inserted this mic into this. I have created here a hole from which I have inserted this mic into the mobile. In this manner you can record all the videos whatever it is required for online class purpose. In this manner we can prepare a mobile holder for recording our video lectures with zero cost, with the available resources at our home. Thank you.